Hey everyone! GDPR compliance is a must in 2026, but you don't need to be a developer to get it right. Webflow's app marketplace now has powerful native tools that handle the code for you. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to set up a professional cookie banner using the FinSuite Consent Pro app. It's all visual, attribute-based, and fully compliant. Let's jump into the designer. Step 1. Install the Consent Pro app. First, open your Webflow project and click the Apps icon in the left sidebar. Search for Consent Pro by FinSuite and click Add to Site. Once authorized, launch the app. In 2026, this app acts as your cookie control center right inside the Webflow interface. Step 2. Choose your compliance mode. Inside the app, you'll see a few setup options. For GDPR compliance, choose Opt-in mode. This ensures no tracking scripts fire until the user explicitly says yes. Select the full setup if you want granular categories like marketing and analytics. This is the gold standard for 2026 privacy laws. Step 3. Build the UI visually. Now for the fun part. You don't have to code the banner. In the app, click Create Cookie Consent. It will automatically drop a fully customizable Webflow component into your project. Because this is a native component, you can change colors, fonts, and button styles directly in the Webflow style panel, just like any other element. Step 4. Categorize your scripts. This is where the blocking happens. In the Consent Pro app, go to the Scripts tab and click Rescan Project. The app will find every tracking script on your site, like Google Analytics or Metapixel. Use the drop-down next to each script to assign it a category. For example, set your Google Analytics to Analytics. The app will now automatically lock these scripts until the user accepts that category. Finally, click the blue Apply button in the app and publish your site. Using the app saves you hours of manual script tagging and keeps your site legal. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.